tournament. It might take a couple minutes for you. It's 1, 2, 3.
All right, so the first one's 1, the second one's 2, and the third one's 3. First one to 30 points wins.
Back up a little.
We each are gonna have 10 bullets in the stock thing. All right, ready, set, start. 1. That was 3. What are you going for, Mark?
My third, the 3 pointer.
So you've hit 3 points so far?
Yeah, I'm going for the pointer.
Hurry up. Are you out of bullets yet?
Nope. I got 6 shots. I got 6 points.
All right.
7.
Come on, shoot. All right, come on. How many more bullets you think you have?
Don't know. Ow.
All right. I'll see you all in about 5 minutes. Ready? Pause.
Okay, now it's Caden's turn. My other partner. He's about to shoot. He's loading up right now. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, he's about to be shooting the cans. Go for the 1 pointer. He got 1 point. He has 4 points. 7. He's out. Now it's gonna be my turn. Okay, we're gonna have a tournament. Who can shoot the most cans? I'm gonna shoot all the cans down. And this is gonna be the ending. Now I gotta set up my camera. 1, 2, 3.
All right, we're about to start the final round. Whoever gets the most points in this round wins the game. Ready? Set, go.
All right, I'm out.
3.
Cameraman, get up.
How many points did you get, Mark?
I'm not out, and I'm at 3.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 so far.
I got 4 to 4, tie.
4 to 4 tie. All right, I guess we'll have to conclude this video as a tie. See y'all next time. Bye. And I want to take this out to Houston for the flooding. All right, stop, Mark. Bye.